guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to Forex One Way, guys, as we are going to analyze the market with Esther Makaripe. Guys, I've been waiting to do this thing for a long time. So my next I get a chance, guys. Next I'll be busy on the up and down and stuff, or relocate and stuff. So no, I'm back again full force. Esther Makaripe urban video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Market, unlike what it just did for us on Friday. Now, as you can see, this is madness what we're having.
Yeah, guys. So let's see your rating time. I think this is called downs. Okay. I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, of course, market. We are up. We are dim. Then yeah, our rising wedge. Then yeah, our at the end. So let's see what or
Here is absolute madness, right? Where the market just spikes down. I was watching a little clip, this video right here. You should go and check it out if you actually want to understand what's happening in this market. It's just like 7 minutes. Remember, me and you, we don't have the ability to move the market on our $1,000 account. It needs people that are having these $80 million to actually push the market, right? Which is exactly what happened. And yeah, currently by price action, technical analysis, you can clearly see that right now as we speak, sellers are in control of this market. This is a crazy drop that we've had here, and honestly there's going to be a high chance of me just saying that we have to wait, because you don't just jump in. The market is falling. Like, this is what they call a falling knife. You don't want to just catch a falling knife. We are back to those all-time highs. Remember, the ones that were not yet retested, we are back right there. But look at the
yeah, guys, if it was me, I want to analyze before she leads us. If it was me, yes, I was going to put this support here and then wait for it to tap the support, and I think this will be our manipulation, this level. Then once then I was going to take my buy from there to the upside.
that we used to go back. This is a big bearish engulfing candle. It's engulfing this whole candlestick. If you put it right here, it consumes it. So it's a seller's market, right? So this is going to be our support, our first support area on lower time frames. Then our second support area is going to be, it's going to look something like that. And to understand the depth of what is happening here, we're now going to say that on the daily time frame, we try and pull out a little trend line. Trend lines and price actions, they work when the market is stable, when the price is doing things that the price is supposed to do, right? Right now, this is more of fundamentals. We have to actually step back. So we see price action telling us that we can now step into the market, right? I'm never going to go against the trend. You already know that, right? So if we clone this trend line right here and then accommodate everything that we left out, you can see that we have fallen into a good zone, right? This is our area of interest. Now in this area, we want to see US30 reacting and rejecting off of this line right here, right? So we are saying that we want to see good price action at this area here. We don't want to see the market breaking out of this trend line. The moment it breaks out, closes outside, it's going to just do the exact same thing that it did here and then just drop probably to our next point of interest. The same goes for NASDAQ. No, flip. I just deleted my indicators, man. Anyway, I want to delete the drawings, and yeah, the same goes for the NASDAQ, minus the fact that on NASDAQ, we have not yet got
the same as NASDAQ. NASDAQ, this is the support, this Muki support, and I was going to draw my trend line like this. If it breaks in it, I will wait for it to come to retest this support. Then that's where I'm gonna take my buys. When after the manipulation, when it comes back here, I'm taking my buys to the upside. That's how I trade, guys. Don't forget to subscribe anyway. Let's continue.
to the all-time highs that need to be retested, right? So for that reason, there might still be a really big chance for NASDAQ to still drop and go back to around about these areas. And we want to be careful for that, right? If the market can just move with this crazy momentum candlestick, there's nothing at this point that it cannot do. If I have more than 2 support areas, I want to use a Fibonacci retracement. So that's kind of telling me that this support area would hold stronger, such that I want to always have 2 support areas. So I would look at this one and the one that might hold stronger. So my first attempt will be right here and the second attempt right at this level, making this one invalid until I see anything otherwise. And there's a high chance that they might just step in for maybe 1 or 2 days, and then they get to this level and form some sort of resistance here. And then after that, then they drop right back like this. When everyone is just comfortable, then they drop the market to that level. So we're going to wait and be patient on that NASDAQ trade. In the mentorship group here, we were talking about this trade. You see the NASDAQ disrespected. This is US30, right? Disrespected both areas because of that crazy news. But you see the setup was absolutely a good one. And then NASDAQ, same thing. But then still tariffs and all. And then the gold trade that I'm talking about, which is right here. You see that point of interest? It was an absolute good one. You see that it just then bounced off of this level and has gone up. We're expecting gold to go back.
Guys, if you can see this market, this chart, like I think they're moving the same way. Gold is selling, US30 is selling, NASDAQ is selling. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, guys. 500 subscribers, please, guys. I'm begging you. Help me to reach 500 subscribers, guys. Let's continue with the video. Esther Makaripe. Let's continue.
To the all-time highs as usual. In this time of crisis, gold normally then just breaks out of these levels and actually still pushes up. Now, for the first time in history, we're having gold sitting. Well, it did go above $4,000 per ounce of gold. That's the first time, right? That all-time highs on gold. And it seems like it's actually going to go to 5,000 at this point. I did also have a ridiculous drop on Bitcoin. Just look at this. When it had gone over to around 25,000, dropped back to almost 100,000. Just look at this type of movement. I think we should leave Bitcoin for now. Let's not tamper with Bitcoin because it's a lot more volatile and stuff like that. But yes, that is it for the weekly analysis. We are going to really exercise patience here unless you're scalping, going in and out, and obviously risking whatever you afford to lose, right? And one little tip that I can give you guys from the books that I've been reading or the videos I watch or from the people that I talk to and stuff like that, and also from experience, is whenever you take a trade, you should understand how much money you want to lose before you actually go into the trade. It doesn't matter how accurate that analysis is.
Yeah, that's true, guys. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free to subscribe, guys. Free of charge. Free of charge. Forex one way, guys. Thank you.